Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are fine. Today, inshallah, we're going to study Unit 6, Lesson 7 and 8. Let's start. Now, suggest 4 different ways for getting rid of all the mobile phones. You can pause the video, take your time to think more and answer well. Okay. You can give it to a friend or younger sibling. You can reclaim it to the shop. You can recycle it. You can sell it to a specialist company. Okay, now let's take some new words. It's better to book tickets beforehand to save money. So what's the meaning of beforehand? Beforehand means in advance. Yes. Another word, don't tell a soul, means keep it a secret. Let's continue. This site is useful. You can keep it as a bookmark. Do you know the bookmark on your phone? Yes, this is the bookmark. Okay, the mark on the left. Okay, General Packet Radio Service. It is a system for sending and receiving images and other information using mobile phones. And this is its abbreviation, GPRS. Another word, modem. Modem is an electronic device that allows one computer to send information to another through standard phone lines and therefore over long distances. Modem. And copy the photo and then paste it. What's the meaning of paste it? Paste means to insert a text into a document. Now, you can save contact numbers of your friends and other numbers in your phone book. What's the meaning of phone book? Phone book means a telephone dictionary. Now, when you like an Instagram photo or video, press like. What's the meaning of press? Press means to exert continuous physical force on something, typically in order to operate a machine. Now, open your student's book, page 50. Instructions for using a mobile phone. Okay, now complete the texts with these words and phrases. Use capital letters when necessary. We have Group A and Group B. Group A words is Group A words are menu, click, address, forget, surfing, typing, bookmarks, GPRS, access, modem, and Group B is type, bottom, paste, menu, select, pictures, save, return, similar, click on, and folder. Now complete the texts with these words and phrases. Use capital letters when necessary. We have words like menu, click, address, forget, surfing, typing, bookmarks, GPRS, access, and modem. We have Group B like type, button, paste, menu, select, pictures, saved, return, similar, click on, and folder. You can pause the video and take your time. Okay, let's now listen to these sets of instructions for 2 ways of using a mobile phone to check your answers. Okay, let's start.
6.5, page 50. Exercise 1. A.
Go to menu, then click on Web. Click on Go to Address. Start surfing the net by typing the address of the required website. You can also select the option Bookmarks instead of Go to Address. This option enables you quick access to certain websites, which you can choose and save yourself beforehand. Do not forget to check if your mobile phone has GPRS, which must be modem enabled in order to be able to connect to the internet.
B.
Go to Menu and select the option My Files. Click on Pictures, then press the Select button. Click on Options and then on Create Folder. Type the name of the folder and click on Save. Now you have created an empty folder. In order to fill it with pictures, go back to the Options menu and click on Open Pictures. Select one or more pictures and then click on Options and Copy. Return to the empty folder you created. Select Options and Paste. Note that not all the mobile phones follow exactly the same instructions, but they're all similar.
Okay, let's now check your answers. Okay, the first choice is go to menu, yes. Then click on web, yes. Click on go to address. Start surfing the net by typing the address of the required website. You can also select the option bookmarks instead of go to address. Yes, very good. And this option enables you quick access. Yes, very good, to certain websites which you can choose and save yourself beforehand. Do not forget, yes, very good, to check if your mobile phone has GPRS, which must be modem, yes, very good, enabled in order to be able to connect to the internet. Now B, go to menu and select the option My Files, click on Pictures, then press the Select button, yes. Click on Options and then on Create Folder, yes, very good. Type the name of the folder and click on Save, yes, excellent. Now you have created an empty folder. In order to fill it with pictures, go back to the Options menu and click on Open Pictures. Select one or more pictures and then click on Options and Copy. Very good. Okay, return, yes, to the empty folder you created. Select Options and Paste. Note that not all the mobile phones follow exactly the same instructions, but they are all similar. Yes, that's really good. Now, what are these sets of instructions A and B for? Choose two of the following. You can pause the video and take your time. Think more before answering. Now let's check your answers. The answer is yes, connecting to the internet through a mobile phone and creating a photo album on your mobile phone. That's really good. Now, in your opinion, how can students make the best use of smartphones? You can pause the video and take your time. Think more before answering. Yes, they can save information on smartphones. They can use them for translating. They can use them to search for information. Now open your student's book, page 51. Number 1. Before you start planning, look at the text on page 50 and answer these questions. A. What kind of words does the writer use to give instructions? Yes. B, how does the writer give a negative instruction? And C, how does the writer try to make these instructions clear and easy to follow? You can pause the video to take your time. Read well. Now, let's check your answer. What kind of words does the writer use to give instructions? Yes, the writer uses verbs in the imperative form to give instruction. B, how does the writer give a negative instruction? Yes, negative instructions begin with don't. C, how does the writer try to make these instructions clear and easy to follow? Yes, bullet points make each point very clear and easy to follow. Now, you are going to write a set of instructions explaining to someone who has never used a mobile phone how to send a text message. Okay. What can I do to send a text message? Okay, we have some ways. Okay, think more before answering and writing them. Okay, plan a set of instructions for someone who wants to send a text message on a mobile phone for the first time. Think of a real person, you know, okay, whether he is your friend or your sibling. It could be someone younger or older than you, okay, it doesn't matter. A, think about what you do when you send a text message. Okay, then write a short note for each step. B, think about the kinds of messages the person you are thinking about might want to send. Okay, take your time. You can pause the video. Okay, we can use useful language here, like giving instructions. Instruction words like go to, click on, or press, select, type, to return to, or do not forget to. Okay, now you can write your instructions, but make sure that they are clear, short, and straightforward. B, you may use expressions from the useful language box below and the instructions above to help you. Okay, take your time. Now, check your answer. When you have finished writing, read your instructions carefully. Check spelling, grammar, and punctuation. Exchange descriptions with a partner. As you read what your partner has written, try to follow the instructions in your head. Ask yourself these questions. Are the instructions clear and easy to follow? Is any information missing? Compare your sets of instructions, then write a final version together. Okay, take your time, and I hope you are doing that. Now, this is the time for closure. Why do young people keep changing their mobile phones? You can pause the video and take your time. Yes, they are trying to keep themselves up to date with the latest technology. Another question here. Mention the advantages of a mobile phone. Yes, it's used for calling in emergency. It's used for sending messages. It's used as a calendar, a calculator, an alarm clock, an agenda. It's also used for taking photos and recording videos. Now mention the disadvantages of a mobile phone. Yes, it can cause accidents, it can cause health problems, it can waste money and time. Now, thank you so much for good listening. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.